What happens when a life-saving medical breakthrough meets the hard reality of European politics? Today, we reveal the high-stakes power struggle behind one of this year's most ambitious biotech acquisitions, where science, money, and national security collide. In Jerusalem, Scinai Immunotherapeutics is determined to change the lives of patients with deadly skin diseases. Their focus: Pincell, an Italian biotech startup with a promising antibody therapy called PC111. This drug brings hope to people suffering from severe conditions like pemphigus and Stevens-Johnson syndrome, diseases so dangerous that global health data shows mortality rates can reach as high as 50%. For these patients, innovation isn't just business, it can be a matter of life and death. Pincell's technology impressed the European Medicines Agency, which awarded it orphan drug designation, granting special market protection and lighter regulation in Europe. The stakes are high. The European market for pemphigus vulgaris alone may reach nearly $200 million within the next decade, while the global market could approach $800 million. Competition is fierce, and so are the regulatory challenges. But business in Europe is not only about science. Scinai's CEO, Amir Reichman, has faced an even bigger hurdle: Italy's Golden Power regulation. This law gives the Italian government the authority to block or reshape foreign investments in key sectors like healthcare. After weeks of uncertainty, Scinai finally received approval from Rome in June 2025. Yet, as Reichman points out, this approval addresses a key regulatory requirement, but it does not mean the deal is done. Scinai still needs to secure a €12 million grant from the European funds for a modern economy program. Without this funding, developing PC111 could stall. Meanwhile, the biotech race intensifies. Monoclonal antibody therapies like PC111 are set to dominate autoimmune disease treatment, with giants such as rituximab already serving patients. Germany alone accounts for a quarter of Europe's pemphigus market. Every financial and regulatory step is critical for Scinai's future. With rising protectionism in Europe and tough competition, any setback could derail the acquisition. Will Scinai secure the grant and push PC111 forward, or will national interests and market rivals block their path? The answer may affect not just Italy, but the future of biotech investment worldwide. If Scinai succeeds, the rewards will be huge, not just in revenue, but in global influence. The global pemphigus market could reach close to $800 million by the end of the decade. Successful commercialization could make Scinai a leader in rare skin disease treatment and boost their innovative nano-antibody pipeline. But what does this story mean for viewers like you? It shows that in biotech, innovation and geopolitics are tightly linked. Investors and entrepreneurs must watch political shifts as closely as scientific data. As Fierce Biotech notes, strategic acquisitions let smaller biotechs access new pipelines and expand their reach. For patients, there's real hope. If regulators, innovators, and funders can work together, life-changing treatments could arrive faster. But the path is far from certain. Scinai has cleared one major barrier, but the next few months will decide if they rise as a new biopharma leader or become another casualty of global competition and protectionism. And here's a remarkable fact. PC111 showed 75% suppression of blister formation in preclinical studies within just 72 hours. That's the kind of breakthrough that could save lives, if it reaches the market. To follow the next twist in this global biotech drama, hit subscribe and tell us, will politics block medical innovation, or will international partnerships win out? Your opinion